half-yearly exam revision, social science, geography lesson 1. Filling the blanks. The universe was formed after Big Bang explosion. A light year is the unit used to measure the distance between two celestial bodies. The sun is the center of the solar system. The word planet means wanderer. Jupiter planet has many natural satellites. India's first ever mission to the moon is Chandrayaan 1. Earth is inclined by 23.5 degrees. The equator faces the sun directly on 21st March and 23rd September. At the time of perihelion, the earth is closest to the sun. The line which divides day and night on the earth's surface is terminator line. Choose the best answer. The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The Tropic of Capricorn faces the sun directly on December 22nd. The galaxy in which our solar system is found is Milky Way. The only celestial body where man has successfully landed, moon. Which of the following planet can float on water? Saturn. Circle the odd one out. Answer: Venus, Sirius, Io, meteoroids, aeroplane. Match the following. Hottest planet. Answer: Venus. A ring planet, Saturn. Red planet, Mars. Summer-saltic planet, Uranus. Coldest planet, Neptune. Name the following. Cluster of stars, galaxy. The nearest galaxy to the solar system, Andromeda. The brightest planet, Venus. The living sphere, Earth. The year which has 366 days, leap year. Question answer. Name the inner planet. What is perihelion? First question answer: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Third question answer: perihelion is the Earth closest position to the sun. Answer in detail. What are the effects of rotation and revolution? Rotation. It is the spinning movement of the earth on its axis. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. It is the movement of the earth around the sun on its elliptical path. The inclination of the earth on its axis and its revolution around the sun cause different seasons. Geography lesson 2. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is the smallest ocean on earth? The Arctic Ocean. The Malacca Strait connects the Pacific and the Indian Ocean. Which of the following ocean is the busiest ocean? The Atlantic Ocean. The frozen continent is Antarctica. A narrow strip of water that connects two large water bodies, a strait. Filling the blanks. The world's largest continent is Asia. Chota Nagpur Plateau is the mineral-rich plateau in India. The largest ocean is Pacific. Deltas are third-order landforms. The island continent is Australia. Circle the odd one out. Sri Lanka answers: Sri Lanka, the Mediterranean Sea, Valley, the Bay of Bengal, the Everest. Match the following. The South Sandwich Trench. Answer: the Southern Ocean. The Milwaukee Trench, the Atlantic Ocean. The Mariana Trench. Answer: the Pacific Ocean. The Eurasian Basin. Answer: the Arctic Ocean. The Java Trench. Answer: the Indian Ocean. Which is the highest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Name a second order landform. Mountain and plateau. Which ocean is named after a country? Indian Ocean. Name the island located in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep. What is the deepest part of the ocean called as? Mariana Trench. Answer in brief. What is a continent? What are oceans? List out the names of continent according to the size. Detailed question. Mention the classification of landforms. First question answer. The vast land masses on earth are called continents. Third question. Huge water bodies are called oceans. Fourth question answer. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. First detail answer. First classification of landform. First order, second order, third order. First order வந்து continents, oceans. Second order, mountains, plateaus, plains. Third order, valleys, beaches, sand dunes.